हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आई एग्जाम बी। सभी एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है। आईबीपीएस एसओ लॉ ऑफिसर का नोटिफिकेशन आ गया है। इस बार लॉ ऑफिसर में 44 वैकेंसीज हैं। इन टोटल यू हैव 44 वैकेंसीज। एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन, ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन की डेट्स 3rd ऑफ नवंबर से 23rd ऑफ नवंबर तक हैं। The prelims exam is on 26th of December and the mains exam is on 30th of January as per the tentative calendar. Eligibility criteria भी सेम रहा है. The age as on 1 November 2021 should be between 20 to 30 years. The qualification required is bachelor degree in law and you should be enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council. Here you can be enrolled with State Bar Council as well as with All India Bar. One thing more, no experience is required. अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं तो आप इस एग्जाम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. All you need is Bar Council's enrollment. One thing more, all education qualifications mentioned should be from a university, institution, board recognized by the Government of India or approved by the government regulatory bodies, and the final result should have been declared on or before 23rd November 2021. So you should have cleared your law. You should be enrolled as an advocate before 23rd November 2021. The pattern of the exam is same. The scheme of the exam has prelims exam, then mains, and finally the interview. And if you look at the prelims exam, there are 3 sections: English language, reasoning, general awareness with special reference to banking industry. English language has less weightage. 50 questions are of 25 marks, and the other 2 sections have more weightage where 50 questions are of 50 marks. The maximum marks in prelims exam is 125. Candidates have to qualify in each of the 3 tests by securing the minimum cutoff to be decided by IBPS. So sectional cutoff is present. Adequate number of candidates in each category as decided by IBPS depending upon requirements will be shortlisted for the online main examination. In the mains exam, you have only one exam, one section, that is the professional knowledge, that is your law. There will be 60 questions of 60 marks, and marks obtained in the online main exam only will be considered for shortlisting for interview and also for final merit listing. So whatever marks you get in your mains exam plus your interview, both will be added to calculate your final merit listing. That means prelims is only qualifying in nature. Then the third one is your interview, which is of 100 marks, and here the qualifying marks are 40% for general category and 35% for other categories. Here I would like to mention one quote: self-belief and hard work will always earn you success, as has been said by Virat Kohli. And notice here that the notification is out. Now it is your hard work, it is your self-belief that will earn you success. So buckle up, start preparing for the exam. At this Diwali occasion, there is no better gift for you than a notification where your hard work can get you success, get you an assured government job. At iExamB, we have IBPS SO course for all the 6 streams, for IT, for AFO, for marketing, HR, law, and Rajbhasha. All these are exclusive online course. And what is meant by exclusive? Here we give you regular guidance, exclusive mock tests, personalized study plans, performance monitoring, one-on-one sessions with faculty. मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि आप जिस भी लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन पे हैं, आप इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे फैकल्टी के साथ इंटरैक्ट करेंगे. फैकल्टी आपको गाइड करेगा. आप अपने वीक एरिया, स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज फैकल्टी को बताएंगे. फैकल्टी एनालाइज करेंगे व्हाट आर योर वीक एरियाज, वेयर यू शुड फोकस मोर, सो दैट यू हैव एन अश्योर्ड सक्सेस इन दिस एग्जाम, ताकि आप इस एग्जाम को अपने इस अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर सकें. एंड वी हैव एन अर्ली बर्ड ऑफर फॉर फर्स्ट 50 एनरोलमेंट्स in each of this course. In IBPS SO Law Officer, for the first 50 enrollments, we have flat 40% off, and the code is early40. So hurry up. If you are interested in this course, do visit our website and look at the demo course. Also, there is another good news for all the aspirants. We are starting a new batch of IBPS SO Legal exclusive online course from 8th of November, right from this Monday. And if you're wondering how we will cover the syllabus in this span of 2 to 3 months, this is our schedule. Our classes are going to start from 8th of November, and these are the various acts that we have planned to cover in November. Moving on, in December, we are going to cover the rest of the acts, and post that in January When your prelims is over, we will focus on the remaining acts. We are targeting to finish off your syllabus till 15 to 20 of Jan. In these live classes, we will discuss the important provisions of the acts. We will discuss important sections. We will discuss important MCQs and take up all your queries and doubts. And after completing the syllabus, post 15th and 20th of Jan, we will just start revision classes in which we will have your queries, doubts, and we will discuss a lot of questions. At iExamB, we have expert legal faculties from various domains. Amrita Johar, she is an expert for legal and also a practicing lawyer in Aurangabad, and she is well versed with all the procedural laws. Then we have Neha ma'am. She has more than 5 years of experience in corporate law in law firms. And Vedika ma'am, who is an expert for legal. She is an ex-bank PO and she deals with various banking laws, SEBI laws and criminal law. Now, a lot of questions. Where to begin? How to start preparation? Will it be possible to finish off the syllabus in these 2 to 3 months? That is where you should pause. You should make a strategy for yourself. Think what are your strong areas, what are your weak areas, and according to that, make a plan that is suitable to you. And post that, manage your time, divide your time for each of the topic, manage your time, practice a lot of questions, and this is the only way to success. I like to end here with a very beautiful quote by John C. Maxwell. The secret of your success is determined by your daily agenda. So it is up to you how you make your plan, how you study, how you focus on your weaknesses, and how you work on your strong areas. At iExamB, all this planning, all this strategizing we will do for you. So do visit our course. All the best for your preparation. We are soon going to come with the strategy how you can prepare for this exam in these months. Do subscribe to our iExamB channel. If you have any query, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com or you can call on the number mentioned on the screen. Thank you so much.